Okay, welcome back to this tutorial series. In this video, I'll be going over Y parameters and some basic operations and relationships that you can set up with them. So to start off, we're going to have set up a basic relationship between these two objects. We're going to have this one move along its x-axis, and when it does that, this box here will rotate on its Y. So if we right click and then click on Y parameters, we go transform and then go position on its X position, and then set up and click on the transform of box 2 on the rotation on its Y. So in box 1, the X position will affect box 2's Y rotation, and it will have a one-way relationship, and so we'll connect it. And so when we move it along its X axis, it flips around. All right. So that is a very basic use of Y parameters. So if we hide those, okay, so what we have here is, what we'll be doing now is using Y parameters to dictate the height of a building via its segments. So we'll just draw a line here. That'll do. We'll delete this other one. And we're just going to add a modifier to it. We're just going to extrude it like so, and go to modifiers, make it 10, and you'd probably get 2 floors, 2.5 floors, so go 2. And what we want to do now is we want to set up a relationship between the height and the amount of segments. So we'll go to modify object, we'll go amount, and then click on itself again, and we'll go modify again, extrude, and segments. And it'll bring up this dialog box. That's the wrong dialog box, that's the right one. This one here, and we need to go and set up the connection. We go connect. So now we can see the height is determining, so the amount of segments is determining the height of the building. So it says that the height is 20, each segment is 25 millimeters. So what we want to do is disconnect it. Oh. We need a disconnect. To the amount we need to add 4 meters, 4.8. Oh no, so 4, and then